I'm thinking I will like deter to you. Like, what do you think? Like, cause I like these. I like that. I like the color. I think that's beautiful.
It is. And you like the color it is right now, like without turtle shit.
Yeah, it's fine.
Because Jess did that one.
Yeah.
When we took her copper or whatever, and then we went in one session and like kicked everything out, and then we got 2 rows of them, and then we did 1 bag of tapes. Yeah. And now she still uses that color just for fullness for the tape bag. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my longtime client Jen in my chair. She's also a stylist and she does wedding hair and all that good stuff. Been with me for a while, does extensions. We always do her blonde. A couple months ago we took her and did more of a blonde, adding low lights and stuff. Slowly and healthy wise, we wanted to do very healthy. So every session, every 2 or 3 months she comes, we have been slowly taking her brighter and lighter. So today we're gonna do a half Sinful Blonde with my Sinful Stitch. And we're just gonna go back to back to back and brighten her up a little bit and hopefully match these new extensions.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one.
So basically we're doing maintenance on her hair today. She's a blonde. She comes roughly every 2 or 3 months for her extension move up and her hair maintenance. And I wanted to talk about in this video is something I always have to explain as a blonde specialist, somebody who really truly is a blonde specialist. I feel like there should be a class or something you have to take to be certified, because so many people are saying they're specialists in blondes and do 1 blonde a week. I do blondes 99% of the time. I'm using Lightener. And always people are saying, I don't want my hair to fall out. I don't want to be damaged. I don't want to be dry. If you don't want to have dryness and have to take care of your hair, blonde is not for you. Gonna be very, 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 very forward in this video here today, because it's something I'm so sick of hearing. I want to be blonde, I don't want it to break. I want to be blonde, I don't want to have any damage. You're gonna be dry, you're gonna have damage. That's what you're gonna get when you're blonde. That comes with the territory. So you'll see in this video, I do sometimes pick out the darker pieces, trying not to overlap. But if you need to brighten up, the only way you're going to get lighter is to overlap that lightener. There's so many different ways to do it, by using your brain, using a lower developer, Olaplex. I even do around the hairline where they're very fine and it's very, very fragile. A conditioning treatment, Olaplex 2, Fiber Fix 2, I put it on the ends where I don't want the lightener to overlap, because sometimes lightener does swell in the foil, even if I'm very careful. There's just so many ways and things you can do. But if you're a client and you want to be blonde, if you don't want to be dry, you don't want to take care of your hair, blonde is not for you.
Chisel all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road, yeah. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
So I'm going to continue to pack these foils in back to back to back to back with my Sinful technique and my Sinful stitch. Very, very minimal amounts of hair left in between each foil. Once I did all that, we let our process for about 45 minutes without heat. I'm not a big fan of heat. Low and slow is always the way to go. We're not going to do any tipping out on the ends. We want to leave that dimension in there. We don't want to damage any more hair that we don't have to. Now I'm going to go in with a root tap, which is very, very good for clients who want to be blonde all the way up, but still have a little bit of diffusion and erase any lines. Not that I get lines very often, but it's just good for a good grow out when clients still want to be blonde all the way. So I'm going to do a soft root on her, which means it's going to be a color lighter than her natural. A base root would be somebody's natural on natural, and then a heavy root is where it's a level darker than the natural. I'm going to do a video up to date on my root tap, shadow, and smudge and break everything down. I haven't done it in 3 years. I have a lot of things I've changed. We're going in, we're doing a slight tap. After that, we're going to tone her all over globally, and I'll show you guys the final results.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, 'cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water.
So after we did the root tap, I left the hairline out the last minute, tapped it very slightly at the bowl right before I rinsed it out, and the treatment on the ends toned her all over. 9N 9GB. I love this formula lately. And you guys, we put our extensions in, and this is the final result. Let me know down below what you think. Leave video ideas down yonder in the comments. I want to put videos out you guys want to see. Please let me know video ideas. I love you so much, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now.
Or maybe we just hit the end of the road.